Garden in Minutes officially has metal raised garden beds. And we designed them to fit our Garden Grid watering systems. Our metal garden beds have square corners instead of round. We made them using premium Aluzinc magnesium panels instead of just Aluzinc or just galvanized. That way ours last longer. They're coated in a USDA certified food safe paint, use food safe hardware, and they're topped with a hand-friendly safety edging. And we have a variety of all-in-one garden kits to choose from. They come with our metal raised garden bed, our Garden Grid watering system, and our Garden Grid connection manifold, which will allow you to run multiple garden beds off of the same water supply by just connecting a hose from one garden to the next. Order yours. Let's start your best garden in minutes.